Hello everyone and welcome to Slipjoint Sawyer. Today I've got a bit of a cleanup slash restoration video of this. This is my father's Victorinox Spartan. He's had it since about the mid-80s I believe, and it's one of his favourite knives he uses to work with. He brought it to me and asked if I could give it a bit of a little bit of a spruce up, bit of a clean up, and you can see that it needs a little bit of work doing to it. It's pretty grotty, but yeah, shouldn't be too difficult. I mean, the action's not bad, it just needs the pivot sort of flushed out. Needs a blade cleaning, needs a good sharpen, but you can see that it is a 4-line tang stamp, and then we have the crossbow, the bolt touching the crossbow, which I think is 86 to 92 off the top of my head, so right about that sort of time. But the action is not actually too bad considering how, I mean, grotty the back. Look at that. That's absolutely pure filth. And in here's not looking too great either. But I'm not going to take the scales off. I don't think it really needs anything that much doing to it. I'm just going to take the scale tools out. I'll just go through the things I'm going to use. It's going to be the most basic cleanup ever because it's going to get abused again. So what I'm going to do is wash the scales. I'm going to get all this sort of crud out of the pivots, things like that. And honestly, the only tools I'm going to use is a toothbrush, microfiber cloth, and here we just have a little bowl with some warm soapy dish soap in it, or dishwater. Nothing special, just fairy liquid, Dawn dish soap, whatever you've got. It's pretty straightforward to do. And then I've just got one of the cheapest sharpeners you can get off Amazon. It's this, I can't remember the brand, but I've been using it for a little while. I think it's absolutely excellent. You've got a 400 grit and 600, and then the ceramic, which is about 1,000, but it sits in this sort of triangle mount and you just rotate it round. It's got rubber feet on it as well. It's pretty cool. I'll try and remember to put the link to this in the description if you guys want to pick one up, but I think it's fantastic. Not going to do too much more talking now in the video. I'm just going to sort of clean it and let you sort of enjoy the experience, as I really love repairing knives or fixing up knives, cleaning up knives, whatever it may be. And I actually like to watch the videos where they just kind of shut up and get on with it. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. There we go. That's a quick sort of restoration, basic how-to guide of how to clean a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. I really hope you enjoyed this sort of restoration. It's something that I really enjoy doing. I'm hoping to bring some more to you in the near future, but this is just of the Spartan. So yeah, I could have gone further and polished the scales, but it's my father's work knife, so there literally is no point. It will just look like this again within a matter of minutes. So it's just had a nice sort of toothy basic edge on it to make the edge last a little bit longer. But you can see that on there. Nice shiny edge on there. Going to be a great sort of working edge. Did the same for the pen blade. And then for all the tools, just a basic sort of clean. But you can see all that grot that was in the channel is now all gone. So it's very basic and easy to look after a Swiss Army knife. It doesn't take a lot. Some hot soapy water or warm soapy water and a cloth and a toothbrush, and you can do all that. I mean, if anyone needs a sharpen, you can use a fixed sharpener or you can use freehand like I do. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Please be sure to like, subscribe and ring that bell for notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.